Hi guys, I'm back with an unboxing. So, since my unboxing from Fashionphile went so well the last time, I decided to give it another go since they sent me a coupon for an additional 10% off, and we love a discount. So, fingers crossed, this is another good one. Here I have my Fashionphile file. Love those. And we have a little confetti. Used is the new. Now, I only select items that are listed in excellent condition or above, and this one was listed in excellent condition, so I'm hoping it's all that I want it to be, you guys, because I am so picky. So let's see what I got, y'all. There it is, y'all. She's looking good. Now, y'all, I have been eyeing this bag since it launched, and I finally pulled the trigger on it, you guys. And I'm so happy. Look at her. Oh my goodness. I just have to take it all in, y'all, because it's stunning. Oh my gosh. Fashionphile has done it again. So as you see, it comes with that large strap that is adjustable. It's quite heavy, you guys. So hint, hint, part 2 of this is coming up. And so y'all, this bag is so nice. The fachetta looks so clean. The hardware is beautiful. And she's made in France. Oh my gosh, Fashionphile, you have done it again. So excited, y'all. I can't wait to use it. She's so clean in the inside. There's no smells. It's just perfect. It is definitely in excellent condition. So I love it, you guys. Yay! So let's give a clap to Fashionphile, y'all, for my beautiful new Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier in the size 20. Y'all, they did it again. I love it. So stay tuned for part 2 of this, which will be a sit down with me, another small unboxing, and I'll share with you what fits inside with the what's in my bag. But for now, I'm going to spray her with my Apple Guard and get her all pretty and ready for you guys. So thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.